All right, so jumping right into this. Finally taking some time to do some filming. Here's my new short block. Um, my cramped as usual garage space. There's the old El Camino. 72 Chevelles buried under there. Of course, the old budget 454 that one day I'll get back to work on if little disasters like this can stop happening. Any rate, so got the cam in last night, obviously. I've been just cleaning everything. Bolts, covers. Already popped new seals in, front and rear covers. But pretty much gonna get down to business here and get this all together. Probably do a time lapse. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But right now, the goal is to try and get the short block completely together, and then I need to dig out the cylinder heads and get to work on them. Lap the valves, new springs, new seals, and get them on and torque them on. But at any rate, let me quit babbling and get to work. All right, let's get down to it. I'm going to do the cam plate here first. Some people may disagree with it. I don't care. It's always worked well for me. A little dab of thread sealant on it. Some people say you can't reuse these. Never had an issue. My advice, you do you. Meaning, whatever works for you, that's what you should stick with. If you feel better buying new bolts, by all means. These new cam lock plates used to come with them. I don't know what happened here. This is a mall. I don't know if they're cheaping out or finding it's not necessary. Whatever reason. So I cleaned up the old bolts. Little dab will do you. I'm actually going to have to look up on my phone because I don't even remember the torque specs on them, but I don't know if I'll even care. Usually I just snug them. I don't overdo it, but I don't underdo it either, and call it a day. I know they weren't incredibly tight when I removed the old plate. Some people, hell, in the past I've reused the old plate with the old gasket, never had an issue, but I had one of these, so hey, why not, right? This one battery every time it's full, there it goes. I don't know why. It's just this one battery. The rest of my Milwaukee batteries work great. All right. Works for me. Ah. This is something I meant to do earlier. Put the stock bolt in. I want to rotate the crank to get the mark so I can line it up with the cam gear. I can't see a thing. Oh wow, pretty much spot on, so we're gonna go with that. And I got missed call. Alright, anyway, so that out of the way, we're going to carry on. Next is timing chain, which I got hanging up over here. Stock chain out of this engine actually had very little stretch when I pulled it apart, so we're gonna go with it. Why not, right? I know people who also say you cannot reuse the cam bolts. I don't think I've ever replaced them. Never had one back out. Same process. Clean them, a little dab of red Loctite, and it was good to go. I think I may need to adjust this back just a hair. That might have been too much. We'll see in a minute. Dot the dot. Okay, we're like a tooth off. Give it a quick rotate. That might have been too much. Nope, it is spot on. So now I just need to get the camshaft. More. Just a hair more. Okay. Good old water pump bolt. I think the cam has slid back a little on me. I'm gonna try and thread it in and use it to pull it forward. There we go. Spot on. We're still good here. Moving forward. Again, my favorite torque wrench. I already know I'm going to get some hate for doing it like this, but whatever. Good to go. So, next thing to address, I need an oil pump O-ring. Maybe this one. Yep. There we go. I did a short on these a while back. Alright, so it's getting dark quick here. Got the bolts for the oil pump cleaned up. Gonna slam them on. Timing cover and oil pan. Then it's time to flip it over and do lifters, lifter trays, things of that nature. Probably harmonic balancer as well. At any rate, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the time lapse for that, because this is taking way too long already. So camera's about to die. This is where I'm going to leave it off tonight. Front cover cam, oil pump, pickup tube, windage tray, all that's handled. Did the Morel lifters with new lifter trays, and they actually gave me some hardware. New Delco knock sensors, cleaned up the valley cover, new gasket, slammed that on, cleaned and painted a harmonic balancer. Wish I'd done that last night. But in the morning, I already dug out my tool. I'll throw my harmonic balancer on. Like I said, I'm gonna tear into the truck a little bit. I got a couple friends coming over to help me, and while they're finishing getting the engine out for me, I'm gonna rebuild the cylinder heads and change the springs and get that all together. And hopefully by the end of the afternoon, I've got it in the truck, and Monday will just be some connections and hooking up some accessories and all that, and we'll be able to hear it run. But anyways, thanks for hanging in there. Until next time.